Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files in iLovePDF in 2026. Now iLovePDF is a website, is very famous for modifying PDFs with free versions. Doesn't require you to subscribe to a premium version to be able to modify your PDF, merge, or no, iLovePDF allows you to open, split, merge PDFs, resize them, etc. Now to merge PDFs, you're gonna open the merge PDF tool. And to do that, you're gonna go to iLovePDF by typing in iLovePDF in the search bar. So here you're gonna click on the first website. And once you're directed to the home page of the website, here you're gonna select the merge PDF tool, the first tool here. You're gonna click on it. And then you're going to click on select PDF file. Now you can also upload this by your computer or using Google Drive or Dropbox. Now I'm going to choose a file from my computer, for example, this right here. I'm going to choose these ones right here. And you're going to click on, if you want to merge two PDF files, you're going to click on add one more PDF file. We're going to click on it here. And then you're going to choose the second file you want. Now we're going to click on merge PDF. And you can also drag here, you can organize them by just dragging them and choose which one comes first. Here, as you can see. Now you're going to organize the final PDF and simply drag them. And once everything looks good, you're going to click on merge PDF in the bottom right corner and wait for the processing. Then you're going to be able to download the merged PDF file. Now many users merge PDFs for assignments, business reports, and contracts, scanned documents. Another huge tip is compressing the final PDF afterward. And if the files becomes too large, you should also double check page order before downloading because merged documents can be hard to recognize later. And finally, iLovePDF makes combining multiple PDFs extremely fast and simple. And that's it. Now you know how to merge PDF files in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video what PDF feature you use the most. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.